Hello, good morning everyone. So I hope you all are doing your revisions every day and eagerly waiting to start our today's classes also. So in these classes also nowadays we are doing revision. So following the same, today also we are going to revise a topic in our maths class. Okay. So today is 4th March 2021 and the day is Thursday. What are we going to do the revision today? Which topic? Can you tell me? What are these on the board? Clocks. Yes. So if you remember, we have done two type of work when we were doing this clock topic in our maths. What all things we did? First we learned how to read the clock. Isn't it? Ki if the clock is given to you, hands are given to you, how you can read the clock. For example, if I say I have drawn two hands, the bigger one is minutes hand and the shorter one is hours hand. Now can you tell me what's the time showing? What's the time shown here? What's the time by this clock? 2 o'clock. Yes. So time here is 2 o'clock. But this is something we call reading a clock. ठीक है? आपको hands draw करके दिए हुए हैं and you have to do the reading. So it is called read the clock. But if I say that I am giving you the time and you have to show that in the clock, how you are going to do it? आपको टाइम दे रहे हैं और वो आपको रीड करके you have to draw the given time. For example, if for this clock I say you have to show 7 o'clock. अब आपको क्या करना है? इस क्लॉक में आपको मुझे 7 o'clock टाइम बना के दिखाना है. So what are you going to do at that time? You remember I taught you how you can draw the two hands. So whenever we are talking of any o'clock full time, short hand will always be towards the given number, isn't it? And the long hand will always pointing towards 12. तो जो short hand है वो नंबर पे होगा जितना o'clock आपको बनाना है, और जो आपका long hand है that will always point towards 12. Where will it point? Towards 12. So if you have to draw 7 o'clock here, what are you going to do? First we are going to draw the minutes hand, the longer one pointing towards 12. Isn't it? अब अगर आपको इसमें 7 o'clock है time which you have to draw, तो short hand कहाँ आएगा? It will point towards 7. तो आप ऐसे इसको 7 की तरफ point करा देंगे. So this clock is showing the time 7 o'clock. Is that clear? Now, if I ask you for this one, you have to show 12 o'clock. How will you do that? 12 o'clock बनाना है आपको इसमें, तो अब क्या करेंगे? Long hand will point towards 12. Hands तो हर बार दो ही होते हैं ना क्लॉक में, so long hand is pointing towards 12. Now where you are going to draw the short hand? बताइए, short hand कहाँ point करेगा? When you have to show 12 o'clock. Again, short hand will also point towards 12. अब वो कैसे करेंगे? इसी लाइन में आप थोड़ा सा नीचे you can draw one arrow like this. This means the time here is 12 o'clock. Clear? What does this mean? The time in this clock is, the time by this clock is 12. Here it is showing 7 o'clock and here we have 2 o'clock. समझ में आया बेटा? जो भी टाइम आपसे पूछा जाता है, you have to point the short hand towards that number और जो long hand है that will always point towards 12. Clear? Let's see one more here. Now you have to show 6 o'clock. How will you do that? 6 o'clock. Again, long towards 12. Okay. Like this, you will draw long hand towards 12 and short hand towards 6. इसी में नीचे like this. So this is 6 o'clock. What time is showing? It's showing 6 o'clock. Understood? And last one more if I want you. Show me 11 o'clock. Then what you are going to do? Again, long hand towards 12 and short hand 11 पे होगा. Very good. Like this, it's 11 o'clock. Clear? तो time read करना और time draw करना, both ways you have to do the practice. How? Let your parents give you a time. Take a time from them and you have to show that in the clock and let them give you some time in the clock. You have to read and write it. Is that clear? This is how you will do the practice. So let's see few times we are going to draw in the notebook. Clear? वहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? I have given you that you have to read the time and draw the hands. So let's see the work in the notebook. Take out your maths notebook for that. Okay? So class, now let's see how we are going to do the work in our maths notebook today. So the first thing is write down today's date, 4th March 2021. Then write down the topic clock and write classwork. Clear? After that, the question is draw the two hands to show the given time on the clock. Now see, I have pasted few clocks here. Can you see them all? And with them, some time is written. Now what you have to do, you have to draw the two hands and show the given time on the clock. Clear? So what is the first given to you? 3 o'clock. Now when the time is given 3 o'clock, how you can start doing it? The first which is the first hand we are going to draw? Minutes hand. And which is the minutes hand? The bigger one, जो बड़ा होता है, that is minutes hand, जो every minute move करता है. So minutes hand will point where? It will point towards 12. So let's draw minutes hand pointing towards 12. Now the time we have to show is 3 o'clock. So where the shorter one will point? Hours hand किधर point करेगा? Towards 3. Yes. So let's point it towards 3 like this. So now the time here is 3 o'clock. Isn't it? The time here is 3 o'clock. Now if we see the next one. So the next one is, what time you have to show? 5 o'clock. So you have to show 5 o'clock here in this. Now can you tell me how you can do it? Minute hand again towards 12. Yes. So let's draw it like this. And your hours hand, the short one, where I have to point it? 5. Because we have to show 5 o'clock. So let's point it towards 5. Clear? Now the next one we have is, what time it's given here? 10 o'clock. So now we have to show the time 10 o'clock. How will you do that? So how many hands we have to draw? 2 hands. Minute hands and hours hand, isn't it? So minute's hand will point towards 10 or 12. It will point towards 12. So let's point minute's hand towards 12. The bigger one. Now the short hand, the hour's hand, will point towards which number? You have to show 10 o'clock. So it will point towards 10 like this. So now the time here is 10 o'clock. Clear everyone? So whenever you have to show the time, always point the minute's hand towards 12 and the hour's hand or the short hand towards the given number. Now the next one we have is 8 o'clock. So which is the next one? 8 o'clock. So 8 again, minute's hand towards 12 and the short one, your hour's hand will point where? It will point towards 8 like this. So the time is 8 o'clock now. Clear? The last one we have is 4 o'clock. How you are going to show that? In the same way as we have done other. First we have to make the big hand pointing towards 12. So let's do that like this. And the short one towards 4. Why? Because you have to show 4 o'clock, isn't it? So the short one towards 4. So now we have 4 o'clock here. Is that clear to everyone? This is how you will do the practice of time, where you have to draw the hands for the given time. It can be vice versa also. Time is given, the hands are drawn and you have to write the time. अभी क्या किया हमने? Time was given, you have drawn the hands, isn't it? Now the other way is, ये hands draw करके दिए and you have to write the time. So you have to practice your work in both the ways. Clear everyone? How you are going to do? So this is class work. What will be your homework? Revise the topic. Done in class work. Okay, so you have to revise the topic, done in class work. Is that clear to everyone? So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to do the work today in your notebook. You can draw these clocks, or as earlier you have done, either draw them or you can take out cutouts also. If you want, I can share these pictures with you of these clocks. Ask me, I'll share them also. Clear? But remember one thing, practice this topic in both the ways. Repeatedly I am saying, आपको दोनों तरह से इस topic को practice करना है. You have to learn how you can show the time and how you can read the given time. Clear? Bye for now. Complete your work and get ready for today's EVS class. For that you will be requiring your EVS notebooks. So keep your EVS notebook ready. Okay? Bye for now. Get ready for next.